What's up YouTube? Kyle here to bring you guys an unboxing video on the Chuck Taylor collaboration with NBA, the Toronto Raptors. So I had to cut the the top of the box just because cutting open the box, of course, and recording at the same time is like really difficult and it would take too long. So yeah, but let's just get on with the unboxing. So the receipt from Foot Locker, thank you. I was actually pretty paranoid about this shoe just because I did another order for I ordered something else and that came first, and then this one took a week later to come. Okay, so this is the first time I'm unboxing a Converse shoe. This is actually the box itself, but yeah, because I've never opened one. It's rather plain, but you get what you get for the cost of what you're paying for, right? So this is just technically for people who just want the shoes themselves. So it's rather plain, but opening it's pretty cool. The inside is nicer. Has Converse and then you, Converse by you. Here, sticker wrap. So these are the Converse in collaboration with the NBA, the Toronto Raptors. Well, I'm from Toronto, so that's why I got them. This is why they're also probably harder to source, just because Toronto people probably bought it out when they first saw it, because of like the championship hype, right? But the plastic bottom I'm a little worried about, because I was gonna use them for everyday purpose. I don't know how that would be like grip wise. Hopefully that's just inside, but like it's a plastic outsole. Upper, there's like rubber, and then the upper of the shoe is denim. Like I'm definitely hoping these will last me a bit longer than I would expect other shoes to. We also have that rubber toe cap, but shoes made out of denim, I really wanted to try it out. That's why I purchased them. But yeah, let's look at the other pair. Yeah. It's actually pretty nice. Toronto on it. Converse. Yeah, can't wait to use these as an everyday shoe, because I'd rather, use it as an everyday shoe. That's why I bought it. But yeah, if you guys like the video, comment, rate, subscribe, and peace.